Racing just is started. We have Salinas very quickly at the start. Friends of the open slew. Forest Marshall in the middle. Then comes Cats Away. Next on line now is Mamika. Isco, Westerly Wind. Bland Ambition comes next. Marcus Wolf. Magisterium, Cold Hearted. Gracious Host Racing secondless. While Princess Jalik is the early trailer. And as they swing down the back, we have Open Slew via the link. Forest Marshall in second. Salinas is racing in third. Then followed by Mamika. Westerly Wind is running by the rail. Cats Away. Then followed by Bland Ambition. Magisterium, Friends of Dog, Cold Hearted. Moving a party outside now is Marcus Wolf. Isco, Princess Jellic racing secondless. While Gracious Host now racing in 14th. And at the far turn we have Open Slew by about 2 lengths. And in second now is Mamika moving a party outside. Westerly Wind, Bland Ambition likewise now coming closer. And as they swing for home we have Open Slew this time by about 4 lengths. Westerly Wind, Bland Ambition, Mamika in the middle. Last 75 meters we have Open Slew entering the finish line. The curtain opener, Open Slew. Second is Westerly Wind, Bland Ambition. Then comes Mamika, Magisterium, and Isco.
Yun.